When my best friend died, what is the second emoji that appears in your face? When my best friend dropped his food, and what is my second emoji? Laughing. When my best friend laugh at me, what my emoji? When my best friend hugs me, what is the emoji? Cry. What is wrong? When we're in chat, what is the second emoji will he put in the chat? Let's go, baby. Ooh, pray. When we're gonna fight all day, what is the second emoji? Laugh.
Ay, kuya yung papa, diretso.
When we're gonna be friends again, what is second emoji? Pray? What is the meaning? I don't know. Okay, like and subscribe for part 2. By the way, my best friend is